Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is row number and what is rank function in SQL Server. So rank and row numbers are used to order your values and assign numbers within your result sets. So rank function assigns a unique value for each row in your result set based on the specific ordering that you have provided. The rows with the same value receives same rank number and the next rank number will be skipped. So if two rows has the same values, same rank will be applied for those rows and the next row will be skipped in rank function. Whereas in row number, it assigns a number for every unique rows in your result set based on the ordering criteria that you have specified, and it does not skips any row. It just intuitively assigns number for your result set based on the ordering condition that you have provided. So let us understand deeply through live examples inside XSMS. Here I have connected to my SSMS. I am currently under my training database. So now let me create a table. Create table student table. So let me provide an ID column which is integer and it's a primary key. Let me also provide identity for this column, identity of 1,1, and then let me provide a name column which is a varchar. And finally a score which is an integer. So now let me create this table. The table got created. Let us insert few rows inside this table. Insert into, provide the table name, and we need to update the name and the score. So let's provide those columns in the selecting value and provide the values for that. So first I need to provide the name Alice and the score. So let me insert few rows. So let us give some other names. Bob and 85, Charlie 95, and David, let's give us 85 again, and Eve as 92, Frank as 88. So now let's insert these values inside the table. So six rows got affected. Let me select this table, select star from the students table. Now let's select this. You can see we got the ID column and the student's name along with their score. So let us see how the rank and row number function applies on this table. So let me provide the select statement. I need to select the name and then score, from the students table. So now you can see I got the name along with their scores. So now I need to arrange the scores descending, so I can get the highest score to the lowest score, and I need to assign rank for those students. So here I can provide the rank function to achieve this. So let me provide the rank function. the rank function should be followed with the over class. In the over class you need to provide the order condition. I need to order the score descending, so I can get highest to the lowest score, and let me name this as score rank. So now when I execute this, you can see I got Charlie first rank, and I got the rank for each students. So as Bob and David has the same scores, they have assigned as 5 and 5. So let us provide ascending here, so you can see the difference. Here you can see Bob has been assigned as rank 1, David has been assigned as rank 1, and Frank has been assigned as 3. So the first two rows has same value in the scores, so they have assigned us 1 for both the rows, and the rank 2 has been skipped and 3 has been assigned to the next student. So in this rank function, if there is the same value in the column that you have provided in the order class, then the same rank value will be applied to that, and the next rank will be skipped. So I don't need like this. I just need to rank the students. I just need to arrange the students in order, and I need to provide a unique number to those students. So we can use row number for that. Let's select this and paste here. So here you can copy paste this, and here you can provide the rank row number. For this row number, you need to again follow with the over class, where you need to provide the order condition, ordered by the score descending, and I need to give this as row score. So now let me select this. Now you can see row score has been updated along with the student name and score. There is a unique value for all the rows in the student table. So row number is always helpful for you in several conditions where you don't have any unique values in your table to identify the rows. So you can provide row number for those cases and uniquely identify the row based on your row number. So now let's just say I don't have this ID column in the student table, then I can use this row number to uniquely identify the student. So just like the rank function, the row number does not skip any rows, it just assigns a unique value for each row based on the ordering condition that we have specified. Here we have specified I need to order the score in descending order. If I ask to order it with ascending order, then it will be ascendingly sorted, and each unique row will be assigned for all the rows in your result query. So I hope you have understood what is row number and what is rank function in SQL Server, and how you can use that in your result sets to order your values and assign unique numbers and rank for your result queries. So let me provide the GitHub link in the description, where you can find the solution and the exercise which you can try to solve and understand the concepts better. Please subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos in the SQL Server playlist. Thank you for watching.